Good day, Sir Jake. I'm John Joshua Digalsim and I'm a regular student and this is my topic, the 17th President in the Philippines. So, first, Emilio Aguinaldo on 1899 to 1901. The sum of success is first, proclaimed independence on 1898, led the Declaration of Freedom from Spain. Second, first President of the First Republic, headed Asia First Constitution Republic. The failure. First, failed to gain recognized. Other nations did not recognize Philippine independence. Second, defeat in the Philippine-American War. Lost the war against U.S. force. Third, captured by Americans. His arrest ended the First Republic. The second is Manuel L. Quezon on 1935 to 1944. This is the success. First, established Commonwealth government, prepared the country for full independence. Second, promote national language, help unify the country through Filipino. Third, improve civil service, professionalize government employment. The failure. First, land reform neglected. Farmer still lack and ownership. Second, corruption in government. Widespread bribery and inefficiency. Third, unprepared for Japanese invasion. Military lack readiness. The third is Jose P. Laurel on 1943 to 1945. Success. First, maintain government during war, contained Filipino leadership under Japanese rule. Second, protect Filipino interests, tried to shield Filipino from Japanese cruelty. Third, promote education, keep school running despite war. The failure. First, view as Japanese puppet, loyalty was questioned by many. Second, lack of legitimacy, not elected under democratic process. Third, charge with treason post-war, arrested for collaboration after World War II. The fourth is Sergio Osmeña on 1944 to 1946. The success is first, restored Commonwealth government, rebuild leadership after Japanese occupation. Second, work with U.S. for aid, secured fund for rebuilding. Third, support war veterans, advocated for benefit for Filipino soldiers. The failure. First, slow post-war recovery, struggle to rebuild infrastructure and economy. Second, weak political presence, lost 1946 election due to poor public image. Third, limited achievement to short a term for major reforms. The fifth president is Manuel Rojas on 1946 to 1894. Success. First president of the independent republic, led the newly independent Philippines. Second, secure U.S. economic support, signed the Bell Trade Act. Third, focus on national rehabilitation, aid to rebuild war-torn areas. Failure. First is pro-American policies, Bell Trade Act, reformed U.S. interest. Second, did not solve Hawk rebellion, failed to address peasant unrest. Third, did early in office, was unable to complete reforms. Next is Elpidio Quirino in 1948 to 1953. The success is first, post-war economic recovery, promote growth through aid and programs. Second, promote industrialization, encourage private business and local industry. Third, improve foreign relations, strengthen peace with the U.S. and Asia. Failure. Rampant corruption. Administration was known for misuse of public funds. Second, rising Hawk insurgency. Failed to control communist rebels. Third, neglected poverty. widening gap between rich and poor. Next is Ramon Magsaysay on 1953-1957. The first success is defeat communities rebels, crush movement which public support. Second, government for the people, brought government closer to the masses. Third, land reform initiative standard program to help landless farmers. Next, failure. First, short term in office, did in plane crash before full reform. Second, weak economic programs focus more on rural project than national economy. Third, still depend on US, relied heavily and American aid. Next is Carlos P. Garcia on 1957 to 1961. The success is Filipino force policies promote nationalism and business. Second, improve local economic, supported local entrepreneur. Third, anti-graft campaign grew against corruption early on. The failure is economic decline. Less foreign invest led to slow down. Second, unpopular which lead policies disliked by big business group. Third, election bid public support led by 1961. Next is Diosdado Macapagal on 1961 to 1965. The success is change Independent Day from July 4 to June 12 for nationalism. Second, launch land from sign the Agricultural Land Reform Code. Third, free currency control opened up foreign exchange system. The failure is land reform poorly forced many landowners resisted. Second, economic struggle with high inflation and slow growth. Third, nepotism issue accused of favorite relatives. Next is Ferdinand Marcos on 1965 to 1986. Success major instructional project build road, school, and bridge. Second, open relationship with China and USSR expanded global peace. Second, impose material law, claim to restore peace and order. The failure is material law abuse, widespread human rights violence. Second is massive corruption, billions stolen by Marcos and cronies. Third, economic collapse, debt and poverty increased dramatically. The next one is Corazon Aquino in 1986 to 1992. The success is restored democracy, ended dictatorship after EDSA, create the 1987 Constitution, granted human rights. The third is support free press with democracy institution. The failure is weak government survive many coup attempts. Second is land perform field short, farmers dissatisfied with outcomes. The third is slow economic growth, struggle to attract investor. The next one is Fidel V. Ramos in 1992 to 1998. The success is first, solve power crisis, ended long back out with new power plant. Second is peace effort with rebels, sign agreement with various groups. Three is strong economic growth, attracted foreign investigator. Failure. First is controversial privatization. Some deals were unfair to the public. Second, charter change failed. People opposed his term extension attempt. Third, crime and drugs increase did not reduce the effectively. Next is Joseph Estrada. The success is proper programs focused on house and food for the poor. Second is continue peace talk, attempt dialogue with rebels. Three is popular among masses, love for his simple image. The figure is corruption allegation, accused of talking illegal gambling money. And second is economic instability as a weekend investigator, confidence drop. Third is hosted by EDSA, lost power due to massive protest. Next is Laura Macapagal Arroyo in 2001-2010. The success is economic growth, improve GDP and job creation. Second is promote OFW welfare, strong support for overseas workers. Next is building infrastructure, road, bridge, and school increase. Failure, election fraud scandal. Hello Garcia thefts and cost outrage. Next is corruption in project STE and fertilizer scandal. Third is human rights concern, rise in killing of active and journalists. Next is Benigno or mas kilalang Noynoy Aquino III in 2010 to 2016. Success is anti-corrupt focus pledge OCOP official like Chief Justice Corona. The second is strong economic achievement, investment, grade credit ratings. Third is Uncase versus China victory in International Tribunal over West Philippine Sea. Failure is Mama Sapano incident 44 SAF proof killed masyading criticized. The second is NTR LTR breakdown, poor public transport performance. Third is Yolanda respond criticized as slow. Next is Rodrigo Duterte in 2016 to 2022. The success is war on drugs, strong crackdown of popular which many citizens. Build massive infrastructure project. The third is early COVID-19 action, quick lockdown and vaccine rollout. Failure, human rights, violence, drug war killing, ruin, international anger. Second is press freedom attack, ABS-CBN closer. Rapper target. Poor pandemic recovery, job loss and inflation rose. Next is Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. in 2022 president. Success is improved tourism and economic welcome back tourists after COVID. Second, better foreign relationship, rebuild peace with global power. Third, focus on agriculture, pledge to support local farmers. Failure, high inflation, food and fuel prices remain high. Second, rice increases, low supply and expensive price. Third is leadership of public gestion, vision and clarity.